Nestled against the majestic backdrop of Table Mountain in Cape Town lies a contemporary home given a new lease on life by ARRCC. Their design seamlessly blends with the existing architecture, creating an urban resort that celebrates the natural beauty surrounding it. ARRCC's signature touch is evident in the new garden pavilion. This modern structure floats amidst the trees, offering a luxurious outdoor space with a bar, dining area, lounge, and even a pizza oven. Custom-designed elements like the light fixture and the brass fireplace add a touch of whimsy and sophistication. Inside the main house, ARRCC's Afro-minimalist approach takes center stage. The raw concrete ceilings and stone walls provide a foundation upon which layers of smooth marble, bleached timbers, and brushed metals are added. This creates a dialogue between the natural and the refined, further emphasized by the use of textured textiles and occasional pops of color. Hints of the city's vibrancy peek through in the polished elements like metallics and mirrors. The wine room, however, is a jewel box of its own, boasting a gold leaf ceiling, bronze accents, and whiskey-colored velvet, creating an atmosphere of moody glamour. The upper floor houses the main suite, a haven of relaxed refinement. The use of cedar strip and bronze cladding echoes the design elements throughout the house, while the bathroom offers a spa-like experience with its central feature bath, marble vanities, and strategically placed mirrors that amplify the breathtaking city views. As the sun sets, the house transforms once again, bathed in a warm glow that further blurs the lines between the interior and exterior, solidifying ARRCC's vision of an urban resort nestled in the heart of Cape Town. ARRCC's Cape Town home design is a testament to their ability to create luxurious spaces that celebrate the beauty of their surroundings, offering a unique blend of urban sophistication and barefoot luxury.